Hey guys, on this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the unknown error on Kinemaster. So there are two solutions. The first one is only if you're using Android. What may cause this problem is that you have a bad screen recorder. I recommend using AirShow to record your screen. The other ones don't work on Kinemaster. For the other solution, you're gonna open Kinemaster. And here I got a project that didn't let me export it, saying unknown error. So what I did was, here you can see there are a lot of transitions, such as this one, that make the project heavy. So what you're gonna do is just put a classic transition or just put none and try to make this in all your transitions. And what you can also do is just remove the audios. They also make the project heavier. So I'm gonna remove this, and you can see here in that transition, gonna delete it as well. So basically what you're doing is making the project smoother so you can export it easier. So I hope you guys like it. Please subscribe, and if this actually worked for you, please leave a like. That will help me a lot.